Hi guys. Today we're doing something different. What if we can express the architectural design process into an algebraic equation? Well, I thought it'd be an interesting thought exercise to see if we can create a formula that we can use over and over for our projects. So like any algebra problem, let's see the given factors. May kodigo ako. First, we have the project requirements from the client. Whether we're designing a shopping mall or a house, we still have to comply with the client's space requirements. Next, we have the end user needs. Take note that the client and the end user may or may not be the same. In the case of the shopping mall, the client is the developer and the end user are the shoppers and the staff. We as architects need to recognize that sometimes the client may miss the user's needs in their requirements, so it's up to us to bring that up. We have to research on how the end users will use the building. So, in a case of a residential house, kailangan natin malaman yung lifestyle ng mga titira doon. Then we have the project goal. So, the architect is hired to solve a problem or need. Hindi hinahire ang architect para mag-drawing lang. Architectural design is problem solving. Therefore, solving that specific problem should be the goal. Let's say you're tasked to design a restaurant. Your goal should be to design an inviting facade, create a pleasant dining experience while encapsulating the brand or the cuisine. Parang ganun. These factors point the design at a direction. But there's still too much factors unknown. We still have to set the limits for the project. We need kailangan natin ng 4 walls to define the limitations of the project. For that, let's start with the project budget. So the project budget should be known from the start. This is what the client is willing to spend. This is what we have to work with. This will control the design parameters, so we have to consider the materials, the purchase price and maintenance cost, and manner and difficulty of construction. Time. A schedule is set for all phases of the project because of course the client can't wait for you forever. Time is money. Time is the most important asset, so we better not waste anyone's time. Next is the area. Whether it's lot area or floor area, how large or small your buildable area is will have a huge impact on your design. Kunwari, yung area maliit, pero yung client requirement medyo marami, you're in for a challenge. Last is yung laws and regulations. Depending on your location or type of project, you will always be governed by building laws, local ordinances, and other concerned laws. And I think we have the given factors ready, but we're still missing one crucial element, and that's you, the architect. Your creativity, your skills, your experiences, your knowledge. You are the X factor that cannot be measured. Sometimes it's not how good you are skill-wise, but how right you are for a certain project. Halimbawa, ako kunwari yung architect. For those who don't know, I'm also a musician. Follow niyo tong isa kong YouTube. Andun yung mga music. For example, if I'm tasked to design a recording studio, I'm confident that I'll do a better job than someone who has more professional experience, was magaling skill-wise. Kasi ako, alam ko firsthand, may experience ako kung ano yung ginagawa ng end users sa isang recording studio. Sila hindi nila alam kahit i-research nila. Lawang pa din ako kasi ako personally na-experience ko siya. Gawa nga ako ng recording studio video soon. Anyway, this is just a thought exercise. And I found it useful in organizing our thought process in architectural design. Ayun, sana napaisip kayo kahit paano. Palam.